Imagine a road that never ends, stretching out in front of you, calm, open, and waiting to be conquered. Now, imagine sitting behind the wheel of the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser LC-400, a machine built not just to travel that road, but to dominate it. The moment you see this SUV rolling toward you, it sends a clear message. This is not an ordinary car. This is presence, power, and legacy moving together as one. The first thing that captures your attention is the front. The bold grille feels massive yet refined, proudly carrying the Toyota badge like a symbol of trust earned over decades. The vertical LED daytime running lights cut through daylight and darkness alike, giving the LC-400 a commanding face that looks ready for highways, cities, and untamed terrain. The hood sits high, muscular, and confident, reflecting light in a way that makes the body lines look sharp and intentional. Even when standing still, this SUV feels alive, as if it is waiting for a signal to move. As the LC-400 glides down the road, its size becomes an advantage rather than a challenge. From the side, the proportions feel perfectly balanced. The wide stance gives it stability, while the long body hints at the space and comfort hidden inside. The wheels fill the arches beautifully, reinforcing the idea that this SUV was engineered for both luxury cruising and serious capability. On the move, the suspension works quietly in the background, smoothing out imperfections and keeping the ride composed, whether you are on a freshly paved highway or a rougher stretch of road. Step inside, and the world outside immediately fades away. The cabin welcomes you with a sense of calm authority. Premium leather wraps the seats, soft to the touch yet supportive, designed for long journeys where comfort truly matters. The layout feels purposeful, everything exactly where it should be. The panoramic roof above opens up the cabin, allowing natural light to flow in, making the interior feel spacious and airy without losing its luxury character. The dashboard is where tradition meets technology. A wide digital instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel, crisp and clear, delivering all essential information without distraction. Right beside it, a large infotainment terrain takes center stage, offering navigation, media, and vehicle controls with smooth, responsive performance. The materials around the dashboard feel solid and premium, stitched leather, metallic accents, and soft-touch surfaces working together to create an environment that feels both modern and timeless. Gripping the steering wheel gives you a sense of control and confidence. It feels perfectly weighted, with controls placed intuitively under your thumbs. From here, you feel connected to a machine that understands both driver and road. Every input feels deliberate, every response measured. This is the kind of vehicle that encourages you to drive longer, not because you have to, but because you want to. Under the hood, the LC-400 carries a powertrain designed to deliver strength with intelligence. The engine bay reflects Toyota's focus on durability and efficiency, cleanly laid out, modern, and built for reliability. On the road, power delivery feels smooth and strong, offering effortless acceleration when you need it and calm cruising when you don't. This SUV doesn't shout its power, it demonstrates it with confidence. What truly sets the 2026 Land Cruiser LC-400 apart is how it blends luxury with its legendary DNA. This is a vehicle born from a name known worldwide for toughness, yet it has evolved to meet modern expectations. It feels equally at home rolling through city streets, crossing bridges at speed, or cruising down open highways under a wide sky. You never feel out of place, no matter where you drive it. The rear of the vehicle completes the story. Wide, solid, and unmistakably Land Cruiser, it reinforces the idea of strength and stability. The LED taillights glow with a refined sharpness, and the overall design feels clean and purposeful. There is no unnecessary drama, just a quiet confidence that speaks volumes. Inside the rear cabin, passengers are treated to the same level of care as those in the front. Space is generous, seats are comfortable, and the atmosphere remains premium. Long trips become relaxed experiences, conversations flow easily, and the road feels less tiring. This is a vehicle designed not just for the driver, but for everyone inside it. Driving the LC-400 is not about rushing, it's about enjoying the journey. The sound insulation keeps the cabin quiet, the ride remains composed, and the vehicle feels planted at all speeds. Even at highway pace, there is a sense of effortlessness, as if the car is barely working. This calm strength is one of its greatest qualities. In a world where many SUVs try to look tough or feel luxurious, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser LC-400 doesn't have to pretend. It carries a legacy that proves itself over time, while embracing the future with modern design and advanced features. It is a reminder that true confidence doesn't need exaggeration. This is a vehicle for those who appreciate strength without aggression, luxury without excess, and technology without complication. The LC-400 is not just a mode of transport, it's a statement, a companion, and a promise that wherever the road leads, you'll arrive with confidence, comfort, and unmistakable presence.